Hello everyone, welcome to FedScoop TV, and you're watching our Digital Transformation Hero series. I'm talking with John Wagner, the Deputy Executive Assistant Commissioner for the Office of Field Operations from CBP. John, thanks for joining us.
Great to be here.
So digital transformation, a lot of that depends on agencies modernizing their IT. Can you point to an example of where your agency has made concrete steps over the past few years in modernizing their IT?
Sure, we look at some of the programs we've run and services we offer to international travelers like Global Entry and the automated passport control application. And our latest example of that, the mobile passport control application, where you can do part of the arrivals process on your own smartphone on an app, but really about driving that innovation and change and having that really provide a tangible benefit to the public.
How has things like cloud and containerization and agile development changed your outlook and what's possible over the next 18 months?
So the cloud in particular offers us a lot of flexibility, I think, in designing new systems. And as we look at our biometric exit challenge, and this is about collecting biometrics from departing visitors, looking at moving data around differently. CBP already has access to a lot of information.
Okay.
But positioning it differently and using it differently offers us a lot of flexibility and different technology choices then to be able to do things like facial recognition in a really simple, easy way to do it that will be efficient and secure and provide really, at the end of the day, a better, more secure experience for the traveling public. So it's really opened up a whole world of possibilities as long as we take full advantage of it.
So outside of technology, workforce is also a big part of digital transformation. How is your agency making sure that you're retaining the right talent needed to move the agency into the right technologies?
It's a matter of finding and recruiting and maintaining a workforce that feels valued, works on interesting things, works on projects that are meaningful, and they can see tangible benefits from that and really give them that, really a lot of pride in what they're building, and they can see the results. And when they walk into an airport and see, facial recognition in action and seeing people use it and take a lot of pride in what they've accomplished, I think really that's the key piece. And finding people that can understand the vision and are not afraid to explore and try different ways and not be afraid to fail, but to recognize that and to move on and to continue to challenge themselves to come up with better ways to do things.
So you were talking about data early on. There's going to be more data, not less, that comes through your agency. How is the agency preparing for that onslaught of data and the analytics platforms that are going to be needed in order to pull out actionable information from that data?
So we've been using airline data in particular for a number of years,
okay,
and a lot of law enforcement systems behind that. And as we look at people in cargo and getting advanced information before that cargo moves towards the United States or the person travels towards the United States, we're already analyzing a lot of information, and we've built a lot of tools in-house basically to help us sift and sort through and provide risk factors in each one of those transactions. And like you mentioned, as you add additional sources of information to that, it gets more and more complicated. But it's about building systems that can help us triage out what we really need to see. Then everything else can move freely in and out of the US, and then we can really focus in on what we need to see and what we need to address. It's all based on that advanced analytical capability and having those right tools in place to just give you the information you need and identifying that.
Great. John Wagner, appreciate your insight. Thanks for joining us
Great,
today.
thanks. Thank you.
For all of our Digital Transformation Heroes videos, check out fedscoop.com. I'm Greg Otto. Thanks for watching.